Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying a new brand at Walmart. I was really excited when I saw this brand over on Instagram first off, and I know so many of you guys wanted me to try it. I have received so many messages asking me to review this new brand, and actually it's like a sister brand to one of my favorite brands, Uoma Beauty. So this is one of my favorite foundations of all time. This is the original Uoma Beauty Say What Weightless Soft Matte Foundation. I am obsessed with it. You guys probably know that if you watch my videos. And the creator of Uoma Beauty, Sharon, she created a drugstore line. It's called Uoma Beauty by Sharon C. I bought everything that was makeup-y. So if you go on their website, you'll see Uoma Beauty here, and then you can click on this Uoma by Sharon C. And they launched with this mascara, which I picked up. They also launched the Flawless in Real Life Skin Perfecting Foundation. They have face wipes. They launched a cleansing oil. They launched a glow serum. I skipped all the skincare because I just wanted to try the makeup stuff. And then they launched a lip tint, cheek stain, and oil and gloss product. So I'm so excited to try all this stuff. I'm very, very curious to see if these are similar at all because I love this. And like, what if this is similar or like the same for cheaper? I don't know, we'll see. So we're gonna start off with the foundation. I'm not gonna put primer on because I really do wanna see how this wears. So this is available in 30 shades. It retails for $15. It's supposed to be lightweight, buildable, and velvety. It's supposed to have a blurring effect that diminishes pores and fine lines. And it's supposed to look like skin. Buildable from sheer to full coverage. You know, this sounds a lot like the original Uoma Beauty foundation as far as what it's supposed to do. I don't know if the ingredient lists are the exact same. Oh, let's do a little ASMR. Well, that was fun. One more. Hey. So I think I'm actually gonna be Fair Lady T1. I did pick up White Pearl because I wasn't sure, but I'm pretty sure I'll be okay with just this one. So the packaging is great. It's a glass bottle with a pump. I really like how there's like pretty similar packaging as the original, so that's really nice. Okay, there's a pump on it. I'm gonna go ahead and do 1.5 pumps. Let me make sure that this will match first. I'm gonna do just a little bit on my face. Okay, yeah, I think that will work well. So I'm gonna take my foundation brush. We're gonna do 1/2 of the face first. Wow, a little bit goes a long way. I was gonna try to do just half my face, but I feel like I picked up almost too much on my brush. So it might be a little over half. And I'm gonna take my sponge and just press that in. Well, that went on really beautifully. The coverage is great. Like that's perfect for me. It's not completely flawless. I could build it up probably to more, but I don't really feel like I need to. So here's the difference before and after. I think the shade works well. So I'm gonna do just a bit more on the back of my hand to make sure I get enough coverage on this side of the face. It doesn't really smell like anything. Well, it smells like makeup, but it doesn't smell like there's fragrance. It's infused with green coffee extract. I wonder if that's what I'm smelling. I'm gonna make sure to take the rest down the neck and then press it in with my sponge. Okay, wow, I really, really like how that looked. I was expecting to really like this, again, because I'm obsessed with the original Uoma foundation, so wow. Okay, so based off of my own memory, I don't really know how these two compare. I'm gonna have to try that sometime, like maybe half and half, but I love how this feels. It feels very lightweight on the skin. It gave coverage, but it also isn't too matte of a finish, but I feel like it did dry down to where it felt like it's set, if that makes sense. Wow, I really, really like how that looks. I'm excited about this. I can't wait to see how it wears today. So since I want to keep this video pretty focused on the new makeup line, I'm gonna go ahead and do a lot of the rest of my makeup. If you want to know what other products I used, I will have those in the description box. So I will be right back and we will try out the mascara and the lip tint. Okay, so I have pretty much everything done with my face. We are gonna move on to mascara. I was really excited to see that they launched a mascara. So I'm gonna open up like the thing on the website so I can read about it. Let's see here. So this is called the Batter Boom Au Naturel Volumizing Mascara. So this says it has a gravity-defying formula. It's supposed to give you fluffy lashes, supposed to have hydrating ingredients in it to condition. It's supposed to be long wear and smudge proof. We will see about that. I am very picky with my mascaras, but I'm excited about this. Okay, so this was $7.99. Here's what the packaging looks like. Let's go ahead and see what the applicator is like. Oh, okay. really uniquely shaped applicator. I like that a lot. It almost has like a twist to it. Well, let's see how this goes. I'm just gonna start on the top lashes on one eye. Ooh, okay. First off, I'm really liking how my lashes are gripping into the applicator. Wow, it really is giving me like a fluffy lash look, which is what it claimed. Kind of has like a grippy formula, which I usually like because I find that if it's more grippy, you can slowly build it up and you won't accidentally like overdo it. Okay, that looks really nice. I'm gonna pop that on the lower lashes too. Wow, okay. So there's the difference, the before and after. Definitely really like the soft, fluffy effect that this gave. I mean, it's one thing to apply really well, and so far so good on that. It's another for it to wear, especially on me. I'm very picky, and since my lashes are so long, a lot of mascaras tend to smudge or flake on me, so I am hopeful for this based off of the application, but we will see how it wears. Okay, wow, so there's the mascara. Again, really excited about how it applied, really love the effect that it gave. It gave me the perfect amount of volume and length without feeling heavy. That's something that I'm noticing. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing mascara. It's very lightweight on the eyes. Fun. Okay, so the last thing that I bought and the last makeup item that they launched to start out with anyway is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. What's this called? It's Complicated Lip Tint and Oil and Gloss. How fun. I love oil gloss type products. This launched in a few shades. I just picked up like 2. So this one retails for $7 even. It comes in 6 shades. This says it's supposed to have a long-lasting color, instant cooling sensation. It's 100% vegan, and it's got things like avocado oil and hyaluronic acid in it. Okay, well, I'm excited. So I picked up the shade Softy, which I'm gonna try first, which was like this nudie pink. I'm excited about this one. I'm gonna try them out and then see if I need a lip liner. Whoa, okay, it's like ice cold. Ooh, it has like a jelly formula. Oh my gosh, there's thunder outside. I am praying we get some rain. Utah needs rain so badly. Wow, okay, so it feels very cushiony. It feels very like ice cold as you apply it. It almost has like a jelly type texture to it. This is supposed to leave a stain, and I actually can already see it tinting a little bit, and based off the applicator you can kind of see, I'll show you. I don't know if that's the color of the applicator or if it's tinted because of the stain in here. I don't really know. Regardless, that feels really nice on the lips. It's not overly glossy. It's a very good like lightweight feeling tint, just like it was described. So I'm gonna try to wipe this off, because I did buy a little bit more of a deep shade, which could potentially stain my lips for the day. This one is called Peng, P-E-N-G. I don't know if that stands for something or if that's a name, I don't know. But it's a really gorgeous, like deep raspberry color. I just was really excited about this shade, so let's try this on. Okay, wow, whoa, I don't want to get out of my lip lines too bad since it's a stain. Oh, I'm panicking, hold on. Okay, so one side of the applicator is fluffy and the other one is just like solid flat. Okay, I don't know about this color. I mean, I like the color. I'm just trying to figure out this formula, and the fact that it's a stain is kind of stressing me out. I feel like I would have really enjoyed a lip liner around the edges because it kind of looks blurred and uneven without one with this color. So that's the shade. I'm gonna try to blot it off before it stains my lips too much. Uh-oh. It's already pretty stained. Wow, that worked very quickly. Look at that. I kind of like that actually. Like just leaving it on for a second and then my lips look very nicely stained. Okay. I do think I'm gonna wear the shade Softy for today since it's more of a casual day for me. So I'll just layer that right on top. Well, isn't that nice? Okay, we're gonna assess the situation. I wanna add a little more blush. By the way, everything that I'm wearing is Drugstore. So again, if you wanna see what else I have on my face, I will have it in the description box. I'm gonna add a little more blush. This one is from e.l.f. And you know what? Let's put a little blush in the crease of the eye too. Okay, I'm not gonna use a setting spray today since I wanna see how the foundation holds up without any help. I'm gonna go in with my Milani Clear Brow Gel to set my brows. Okay, let's go ahead and do a wear test. So it is currently 2:05. I'm gonna wear this for as long as possible. It might be a little bit different of a wear test just because it's my dad's birthday today, so I'm gonna be with my family tonight, but I'm excited. So far so good. I really liked how everything applied. I'm the most excited about the foundation for sure. I think it looks gorgeous on the skin. I can't wait to see how this wears. If it's anything like this, I know I'm gonna love it because this wears so well on me. The mascara looked so pretty as well, but of course, I'm a little skeptical. It takes a lot for me to love a mascara, but based off of application, I'm in it. And then we'll have to see about these lip products. I do really like how my lips look. We'll see how it wears throughout the day, but I will say I am definitely the most excited about the foundation as of now. Without further ado, let's turn the time over to future me to see how everything held up today. Okay, so I thought I would have some vlog footage to do a check-in with, but the night didn't actually go the way that I thought, so I never grabbed the vlog camera to do a check-in. But you guys, this is probably the longest wear test I've done in a while. Look at the time. It's 3 in the morning. Oh my gosh. So my family lives a little bit far away from me. So sometimes when we're with them, especially in the evening, we stay till midnight and then we have to drive all the way home. So I just barely got home. But the good news is we did a 13-hour wear test and I have opinions on the products. Let's talk about the foundation first of all. For 13 hours, and let's keep in mind, it was warm today. Like I was sweating a lot and nothing broke up. Like there's a little bit of separation, like just barely starting to happen on the chin, but literally that's all. I'm also noticing how minimal the settling in the smile lines is, which is interesting because that's one of the things I love about the original Uoma Beauty foundation. So I'm seeing some similarities. It definitely wore beautifully on me and I'm the most excited about this foundation. Let's talk about the mascara. I almost dusted these off, but I wanted to leave them. It didn't really smudge, I don't think. Let me triple check that. No, there's no smudging, but there's so many little flakes underneath my eyes. And I don't touch my eyes or anything throughout the day. They're not that obvious, but I can't do that kind of stuff. And of course, you could do this and just sweep them away, but I don't like wearing a mascara that you have to worry about whether it's flaking or not. They're teeny, but unfortunately it did flake on me. So it's not my favorite. There's definitely better out there that don't do that for me. So I'm really bummed about that because I loved how it looked based off of the first application and it still looks nice, but you know, there's better out there. When it comes to the lip stain, I really liked how that looked too. I feel like it didn't last the entire day, but again, it's been 13 hours. I ate dinner. I didn't touch up. I didn't bring it to touch up. So yeah, this is what it looks like by the end of the night. Actually, I kind of feel like there is a slight stain still. There's absolutely nothing on my lips and it almost feels like there's a little hint of that color left actually, now that I'm looking at it. Really pretty, really comfortable. I noticed like a couple hours in, my lips did feel a little bit dry because the oil part fades and then you're left with like the base, if that makes sense, but it wasn't anything uncomfortable. So really did like that, but the star of the show is for sure the foundation. I'm so excited about this. I really love how it wore. It definitely wore off on my nose because I still have allergies a little bit, so that's the only part that's like looking a little funny, but nothing else moved. It's actually insane how balanced my skin was throughout the entire night. And you guys, like I was sweating. My face was really, really sweaty. So I was nervous for a minute there and it really, really held up. So super excited about this. I'm gonna have to try and compare these two. I really wonder if they are similar. I'm gonna like look at the ingredients at some point and see if I can figure out if they are super similar or not. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me review this line. I know so many of you guys were curious to see my thoughts, so yeah, definitely check out the foundation if you're looking for something new. I think it's amazing quality, especially for the price, even though $15 is a little bit high for the drugstore sometimes. I mean, this is a really beautiful foundation, so to me, it's worth $15 for sure. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie, and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button, and if you're already a subscriber, but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. That's it for me today. I would love to know if you guys have tried any of these new products from Uoma by Sharon C. Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye!